Hello WBB stars, my name is Bruno Timperman and welcome to Bruut. We are located in Bruges and today we are making pigeons from Steenvoorde that are matured for 2 weeks with hay, and we let them cook over the fire so it gets smoky and aged tastes. So what we're going to do is we're going to bake the pigeon. Our garnish are Jerusalem artichokes with some cranberry coulis. We also have some beetroot that we glaze and his own juice with some rose vinegar that we served with the starter. It's going to be nice and shiny. We are making from the carcasses we make a demi-glace. From the legs we make a bordelaise sauce with some truffle. We also add some fig leaf oil because we give a wine from Remy Pujol, Le Temps Fait Tout. It's a Carignan, has really nice green notes, fruity flavors, so that's why we use a little bit of fig leaf oil to play with the wine. What I also like to do is how we bake the pigeon. So this is a little bit more different kind of Jerusalem artichokes puree. What we do, we wash really good the Jerusalem artichokes with the skin. We add a little bit of oil and salt, and we bake it off in the oven around 220, 230, and let it caramelize in its own. Then we add some butter, so it becomes nutty butter, beurre noisette. Then we mix everything together. Okay? So this is not peeled. We have no waste. So this is cranberries that you just cooked with a little bit of sugar. We don't like sugar, but we need just a little bit to extract the moist, and then we reduce it. Even the cooking liquid from the beets we save because there's sugar and vinegar in it with some thyme and laurel, and we reduce it till it's like a kind of glaze of the beetroot. So it's nice and shiny. And it takes away a little bit the earthiness and add a little bit more sweetness, natural sweetness. So our kitchen is also inspired by nature mostly. These are rose petals that we collect here at the beach in the summer times. We pickle them in a 1, 2, 3 kind of pickle: 1 sugar, 2 vinegar, 3 water. Just give a little perfume to that little beetroot. So what you also have, we have is a raw marinated beetroots. So now we're going to check up on the bird. So because of the pigeon is dried for 2 weeks, the fat gets a little bit more rancid, gives a new taste to the pigeon. Also the meat is still moist, but it's more concentrated in flavor because of the dry aging. Yeah? As you can see, meat is perfectly cooked, smoked, dry aged. It's perfect. We add a little seasoning, just pepper and salt. Put the meat on the table. This is still like a little syrup. To give some extra perfume, you have some basil flowers. Some little blood sorrels. So a little bit of fig leaf oil to play with the wine. And then we add the sauce table side. So table side, we make red wine sauce from the carcasses from the pigeon and the legs with a little bit of truffle. Yes, there you go.